is going on, guys? Kyle here, and in today's video we're going to change the headlight bulbs on my car. I don't know when the last time they were changed, and I think they're looking dim. I'm not sure, but I'm going to change them anyway because I need to know the next time when I change them when the last time was. I'm trying to do that with different parts on the car. Like just yesterday I changed my battery, and now we're going to change the bulbs because it is kind of warm today. I mean, it's 40 degrees, but that's warmer than it's been. I've already taken the negative terminal off, and I put it there. Make sure it doesn't touch anything metal when you do it. And let's get started with the passenger side, because that's probably going to be the easiest. Might have to take the battery out to do the driver's side. Hopefully I don't have to, but we'll see. So the first thing that I have to do is take off this part of the intake here. That way we can actually get to the headlight and the plug. Hopefully that's all I need to take off, because it does like loop through the chassis and then to where the air filter is. I don't know, hopefully it's not that involving. Oh. That is how my car gets air into the engine. So I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but right down here is where the bulb is for the headlight. It should be as easy as just unplugging it, taking there's like a ring in there to take out, and then the headlight should be accessible. Alright, I got the plug. I got unplugged. Took a little force, but I got it. Now I'm gonna take this ring off. So this is the old bulb, and this is the new one. There's like barely a difference. The cap's a little different, the cap shape. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. So this is like a little, I don't know if I call it a protector, but it's like a rubber ring that the bulb goes into. You're supposed to take this off separate from the bulb, but the bulb was like stuck in there. It's really weird because it's like threaded, but the bulb isn't. It's weird. You're supposed to be able to just pull it right off, but well, it looks like just as I thought. I'm gonna have to take the battery out. After what I just went through with that, I can't even get my hand down here to take the plug out, so. And that is it for this week's video. We got the bulbs in. Make sure you like, comment on this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next video. In today's topic, I want to talk about the biggest problem with car scene and what my thoughts are on that problem. So the biggest problem with the car scene is that everyone talk about built versus bought, and thanks to Eli Rubin from Ignition Tube, his channel will be in the description down below. So check out his videos. He came up with this idea, this topic, so I thought